Hey y'all, 828 Find Adventure here. I filmed a video last spring of myself setting up an Oztent RX5. I did not put the front room on. I've also filmed a little bit of how I put it on top of the truck and take it off. I chose this over a rooftop tent because it wouldn't waste so much gasoline and it's easy to get off and put on. Whereas if you get a rooftop tent, it's stuck on the top of your truck or vehicle all year. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Now, just to reiterate a little bit, I'm not against rooftop tents. They have a purpose. It's just, I was just looking for an alternative that I could easily take off the top of my truck and store in my garage. And it wouldn't make my gas mileage any worse on the highway driving around every day. The Oztent weighs about 55 pounds, but it's really awkward to handle. But with a little help or two people, you can do it. And to tie it to the roof, I use these straps called Stratchets by Front Runner, and they're great. And I'll put a link in the description. I have several of them that I use for everything. The bag I have my Oztent in is not the one that comes with the tent. The tent comes with a really nice bag, but I wanted something a little more rugged and heavy duty. So I bought this camouflage bag from Drifta Camping and 4-Wheel Drive in Australia, and they do ship to the States. As you can see here, I'm putting down a mesh ground cloth. This is just to keep the moisture from pooling under the tent and help any water drain. Now, if your ground is real muddy, of course that'll seep through it and be all over the place. But in certain conditions, a mesh ground cloth works really good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of me setting up the Oztent. The main body of the tent takes like a few seconds to set up. So if it's raining, that's great. You can put the kids in there, get some gear in there real quick. Setting up the rest of the tent, the ground cloth, staking it down and all that, it's gonna take you about 15 minutes. But seriously, the main body of the tent, once you have it out of the bag, it takes a few seconds to set up and lock in place. So it's a great place to provide cover if it's raining or the weather's bad or whatever, and you just need to get it set up real quick. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to subscribe and like, and I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. See ya.